Hadlow Tower near London is about 55 kilometers, 34 miles from London, and it takes around an hour to reach by car or train. It is the tallest Gothic tower in England, at 53 meters high. It was built in 1838 by Walter Maynard Burden. The tower is one of the highlights of Kent's architecture. A legend says it was built because of a dispute with neighbors. Accommodation. After its restoration, the tower was transformed into a luxurious short-stay destination, where guests can spend the night and enjoy its historic atmosphere. You can enjoy panoramic views of the Kent countryside from the top, but it is private property and only accessible if you rent a room to stay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.